We are recording the sewer line here at Leslie's place on Hunts Point Road. I believe it's 3061 or 3601 or some combination of those numbers. I don't have it in front of me, but it's a recording for her and I. Bob Oates Plumbing here, Casey making the recording. We're looking at a 6-inch or larger diameter drop in here, possibly a main. Some we'll see how many. I've zeroed out the footage. 100 and some feet down the line. We went through the downstream cleanout. There's a downstream and an upstream cleanout here on the property. So, with my knowledge of Bellevue sewers, that section down there is either the main where Bellevue takes over or a larger diameter pipe well off the property where they take over. We would want to 100% confirm that with Bellevue, but I believe that's the case. There is a tie-in to the line, possibly a clean-out. It's about 100 feet down from where we're at now, so it could be the clean-out every 100 feet as code requires, or it could be another tie-in to the line. This appears to be the old concrete, possibly asbestos concrete. Alright, so we're going to call that about 80 feet of that original old asbestos concrete running down the hill back here till we get into a section of SDR 35 PVC. And there's a pretty long stretch of this SDR 35 PVC as well. Up out of the clean out there. End the recording for this one now. We're going to run upstream. I'll make a second recording of the upstream pipe. Downstream looks pretty good.